Hey everybody, and welcome back to Beach Bum Wisdom. I'm back for some skincare this week, and I'll be demonstrating my 6-step basic nourishing facial. And I'm also going to be incorporating some crystal healing for this client. For this facial video, instead of breaking down the products that I'm using, I'll be breaking down each step of the facial and explaining the importance of each of the steps for the skin's health and overall well-being. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll be starting this facial off with a double cleanse, which is exactly what it sounds like. I'll be cleansing her face with 2 different types of cleansers. I always start with an oil-based cleanser because it's the best way to break down oil-based products like makeup or sunscreen, and I'll be using a water-based cleanser to remove any dirt, sweat, grime, or debris. And when you use both together, you make sure to get rid of everything. So I'll be spending a few minutes here massaging the formula onto her dry skin. And then once everything has softened, I'll wipe her face with the facial sponges to remove everything. The benefits of this double cleanse are going to be clearer skin, and they're going to help the other products to work better. The clearer your skin, the better the rest of your skincare products can soak into it. And as a result, they'll be more effective. Of course, I get asked the question if people should be double cleansing every day, and I usually would not recommend it. You want to keep your skin's barrier healthy with your natural oils, so you don't want to be over cleansing your skin. However, if you are wearing a lot of makeup every day, then it can be beneficial. Or if you're visiting your esthetician for some skincare, of course we want to make sure that we're giving your skin a thorough cleansing with the double cleanse. Next step is going to be a good exfoliation of the face. So while cleansing your skin on a daily basis may rid the skin of dirt and oil, it doesn't necessarily act as a facial rejuvenator or help unclog the pores the same way that an exfoliation does. Some of the benefits of exfoliation are creating a radiant, glowing complexion, helping your moisturizer to work more effectively, unclogging pores and drawing out impurities, an instant glow, and more rejuvenated skin. Exfoliating is going to help smooth the skin by removing excess dead skin cells. Now, there are chemical versus physical exfoliants, and that's a question that I commonly get. What's best for me? Your chemical exfoliant is going to be liquid, and your physical exfoliant is going to be made up of some sort of material like, for example, grains or sugar. And they're both very effective. You should only be exfoliating 1 to 3 times a week, and the goal is healthy, glowing skin that's ready to take in moisture. After examining my client's skin under the lamp, I'm going to look to see where she may have clogged pores or excess oils trapped in or debris, or where I can perform any facial extractions. Now, extractions typically get a bad rap because people assume that they hurt, but thankfully I haven't gotten any complaints on that. When performing facial extractions, I specifically focus on blackheads for a few important reasons. Blackheads are technically called open comedones, which simply means that the comedone has a wide but clogged opening to the skin. The buildup that sits closest to the surface gets exposed to oxygen, so it turns dark brown or black, thus the beloved title of blackhead. Extracting them is a process of nudging that gunk out. It doesn't involve breaking the surface of the skin, whereas your whiteheads or your pustules are closed, inflamed blemishes that contain a mixture of oil, dead skin cells, debris, and bacteria. So if you're extracting a whitehead, you run the risk of infection or scarring. So I typically opt for a spot treatment with whiteheads or an exfoliating pill or LED light therapy to speed up healing during facials. Next is everyone's favorite part of the facial, and that's the facial massage. Facial massages are pretty much like body massages, only for your face. And I'm using movements that are specifically for the face, such as gentle stroking, tapping, pinching, and kneading, mainly working on the areas of the face that are prone to puffiness, wrinkles, or muscle tension. There are so many benefits of facial massage, such as toning the facial muscles and relieving tension, releasing toxins, boosting circulation, improving product absorption, and of course, relaxation. Next is one of my favorite steps in a facial, because here's where I can really customize and step up the treatment. And not only that, the facial mask is really an indulgent treat. It's gonna tackle key skincare concerns and conditions, from dryness and dehydration to large pores and acne. Your mask is gonna deliver highly concentrated actives, vitamins, and nutrients to the skin to improve its overall health. Facial masks also create a physical barrier that locks in beneficial ingredients, which is gonna allow the skin to absorb more efficiently. So depending on what your skin needs, there's a mask that can do one or a combination of hydrating and moisturizing the skin, refining large pores, improving the skin texture, absorbing excess oil and dirt, decongesting clogged pores, minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, improving with breakouts or brightening dark spots. There's literally a mask for any skincare concern. While her facial mask sets, I'm going to be incorporating some crystal healing. Crystal healing is an alternative healing technique in which crystals or other stones are used to cure ailments and protect against disease. The crystals act as conduits for healing, enabling positive healing energy to flow into the body and negative disease-causing energy to flow out. It's also very relaxing. To finish off her facial, I'm going to be using a hydrating toner, which is a lightweight formula that's going to leave her skin with a soft, velvety, dewy finish. It's also going to prime her skin in order to lock in the hydration of the moisturizer. After every facial, no matter what the skin type, I'm going to be using a combination of serums, moisturizers, oils, and sunscreen to send my client off with the perfect finish. Of course, the serum that I choose is going to be specific to her skin type and to her specific skincare needs. And the moisturizer is the foundation of a strong skincare routine. Most of the other steps in the facial are going to vary by personal preference or skin type, but every facial regimen needs a way to protect the skin from the elements, pollution, and UV rays. The moisturizer is going to give the external layer a little extra hydration, and it's going to help it retain water, which is going to keep the outer layer of the skin healthy, happy, and free of any uncomfortable dryness, cracking, or inflammation. If your skin feels tight or flaky at all, you most likely have dry skin, and chances are that your skin barrier has allowed a lot of moisture to escape. And even for those with oily skin, a good moisturizer could be exactly what your skin needs. Stripping the skin of oils, whether through excessive face washing or from drying ingredients from serums and things like that. Pick a moisturizer that's designed for your skin type to add to your routine, and that's going to give your skin a natural, healthy glow. Thank you for watching my video, and again, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel for more skincare videos and also videos on travel, wellness, holistic health and healing, energy care, and everything in between. I would love for you to join me on the journey. See you soon.